So hello guys, welcome back on my another video. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how to earn money by using this application. So guys, in first column you have to put your mobile number, in second column you have to put your password, and in third column you have to put your email address. After that you have to click on yellow button on send, and a OTP you will get on your email or mobile number. So you have to enter that OTP in this box, and after that you have to enter the referral ID, or it will be entered automatically. After that you have to click on the sign up now button. So guys, I will complete all the steps and I will tell you that how to log in. So guys, I put all the details and I will now click on the login button. So guys, I have successfully logged in this website. So guys, here I will tell you that how to use this website and all the things in detail. So guys, first of all you can see the interface of the website. First of all, I will click on the about button. In this you can see the company profile, certificate of corporation, certificate of insurance, contact us option. So guys, first of all I will click on the company profile. So here you can see the all the details of the company. Simply here you can drag this and you can simply find all the details, all the technology and team and all the details of the company. This is the certified company, so don't worry about this application. So guys, after that you can check the certificate of corporation. In this section you can see the certificate of the software which is certified of incorporation of a private limited company. Here you can see all the certificates of this company. So guys, you can simply earn money without any tension. So guys, I will show you that how to earn money. Here in the second option you can see the trade option. Here you can find so many options for trade. Which one you like, you can simply click on that options, and here you can simply trade and earn money. Here you can call or put. Here you need to add your money, and simply after adding the money you can simply earn by playing itself. After that you can click on home button. Here you can see this is the interface, and click to claim. Here is the option click to claim. On this option you have to click, and after clicking you will get the money in your account. Okay, so here in the bottom you can see all the question and answer which is asked by the users. After that you can see the next option which is about project. On this option you can find so many projects like experience fund. Here you can see the income is 144%. This is for 4 days. Okay, here you can simply earn money by depositing the fund. Here you will get 144% after 4 days. Okay, in the next you can see here your benefit is 48%. This is for 30 days. Here you can simply start from 1000 to 10,000. You will get your money after 30 days. Okay, after that you can see mutual fund number 1. Here you can get the benefit 84%. That benefit you can simply withdraw after 30 days. Here you can start 10,000 to 30,000. Okay, after that you can see there is a plan for mutual fund number 2. Here you will get 108% benefit which is for 30 days. Okay, here you can start from 30,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, this amount you can simply withdraw after 30 days. Okay, so here you can see next option which is for mutual fund number 3. Here you can get 144% benefit. This amount you can withdraw simply after 30 days. Okay, you can see mutual fund number 4. Here you will get 180% benefit after 30 days. Okay, so here so many plans are there. Which one you like, you can simply click on invest now. After that when you click on invest now you can simply see the all the details of this plan, and after that when you simply want to invest you can simply click on the invest now button. After that you have to put your amount here like 1000 or 1000 to 10,000. Okay, before that you have to simply deposit the money, because before investing in any plan you have to deposit. So simply I will click on mine. Here you can simply saw the two options, recharge and withdraw. I will click on recharge. After that you can simply select the amount which you want to simply deposit. Okay, that I will click on 1000. After that I will click on confirm payment. After that a new interface will be open here. Okay, so I will select any of the applications like phone pay, Bhim UPI, Google Pay or Paytm. After that I will click on pay 1000 and here I can open simply any of the applications. Here you can simply click on send button. After that you have to simply put your UPI pin. I will put my UPI pin and after that I will complete my payment. So guys, simply in this option, in mine option, you can simply find so many options like history, my comment, journal, withdraw fund. So guys, you can simply set your edit bank information. So guys, I will click on this. After clicking on this, I will get all the details. So guys, here I have to put all the details like first name, last name, account number, bank name, address, and after that in last option I have to put the IFSC code. After that I will click on save. Okay, so guys, you can simply fill this information because in this bank you will get your money. So after that you have to simply click on withdraw password. In this you have to simply click on send, then one OTP will get on your mobile number. After that you have simply click enter your new password, enter a new password. After that you can simply click on confirm button. On the home option you can simply find the option in which you can see invite friends. Okay, I will click on this. Here you can simply find a QR code and your referral link so that you can copy your referral link and you can simply share your referral link as many as friends you want. Okay, you can simply share this link with your friends, family and so many peoples, and if they will join this application through your referral link then you will also get your benefit. Okay, in the next page you can simply find so many options. Or and guys, here if you earn money, so you will think that how you can simply withdraw this money. So guys, you can simply click on mine. After that you can simply find the option of withdraw. Okay, I will click on this. After that you can simply click on withdraw and you can simply click on next step. After that you have simply enter your amount. After that you have to simply enter your password. After that you can simply click on withdraw. After all these steps you can simply withdraw your money into your bank account. And guys, I think I have shared all the information with you. So guys, if you like the video then please leave a like and also you can simply leave a comment for us. And if you guys interested in this application then you can simply join this application by using the link which is in description box. Okay, so do this on your own risk and I want that please do a research on this application. After researching you can simply earn money by using this application. So guys, I hope you will like this video. So we will meet in next video.